be a sample people, you know. Jamaica, that's a reality here. Jamaica is not a real place. It is not a real place. It's a mythical country. It is a mythical country. What do you go put this up here? You can't sit down on cow back and a cuss cow skin. It means you. Hi guys, it's Friday. That means it's
Time for lunch.
It's time for lunch.
It's time for lunch. It's
lunchtime. Okay guys, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Vanessa. If you're new here, you don't know who we are. My name is Vanessa. This is my son Rajay. Okay, and once it's Friday, we normally share something that we're having for lunch. Today, before we get into it, please ensure you like this video. Please drop a comment in the comment section what you're having for lunch. Also, do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. Bing ding! Hit that subscribe button. Like this video, share. We have tons of other videos on our channel. We have, if you're new, so you might not know, Rajay is going through his journey of being cancer free. So we are documenting the entire process for persons who might have children in a similar situation or know of somebody in a similar situation. You can also follow our childhood cancer awareness page or at This Little Light of Mine on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at _dreaminggoal_. My mother wants to say, "Me a rush, come on, well, want to eat when we have for lunch today." So today, for lunch, we're having mango. We have this big juicy mango. This morning Gabby came and Gabby was like, "Well, I'm gonna bring mango." And I was like, "What type of mango, Gabby? East Indian? Julie?" Gabby's like, "No. Mango is mango." It don't really matter to me still, you know. Mango is mango, okay? Alright. Also, we have this delicious sandwich. I can't wait to get all in this, yes. Right? But sandwich I have to wait for later because the mango is here. I mean, I want mango we have, and we don't want to know how we're excited over the one.
1 year nominated mango. One.
Oh, we're excited over the one like a mango. You could have never believe it.
I'll take first bite.
You'll take first bite. You know, see? It's like our beefy. What would I call beefy in Jamaica? What do you call beefy? Wherever you're from. Because, you know, different places in Jamaica have different...
It's so sweet.
Oh my God, John. So different places in Jamaica have different names for things. I'm from St. Catherine. Them big extra mango here, we call them beefy. What do you call it where you are from? Knife, don't nobody know. Yeah, try get your knife, but your knife. Dog. One mango. You want tingling? I just eat the skin. I eat the skin. Suck up your mouth. Oh my God. So nice. So good. Water run out of my mouth, brother. As me go, me I go country. Shana, because of Shana, me know you watch a video, girl. As me come home, me come lick you. This is one mango you're not going to do me. Gabby, if you carry like 6 or 7 mango, Johnny. Not true. Not true.
If you carry 20 mango.
Not 20 mango, Johnny. You buy 20 mango? This is so good. You start get mango yet? People with the East Indian tree. I beg you to understand something you need to share. You have some people who have East Indian tree and they don't like other people enjoy.
I look at things so I've a mango tree on our back.
This is so good. As you can see, I'm going to go even on the update because I know someone will just give for the update. Raja is doing good. Treatment is finished. His appetite is back. Him take a shower. That right? That was such a big deal for him just well long ago. So now we are in the phase of blood test, urine test, you know, those evaluation. That's what he's gonna be doing now.
And for
remember, cycle is 21 days, so he's gonna be getting like filgastrin. That's an injection to boost back his white cell count and stuff like that. So that's what is happening over there. So what we now do you with on Friday? What we not dealing with on Friday? Anyways, I don't know say once people find out say you're Jamaican, then think first greeting where you give them a yeah man. I don't know.
and then I tried to sing one Bob Marley song.
So I met this girl, right? She just came here, and because we have been residents for months, for 4 months we have been residents here. They asked me to come and meet her because she speaks English. She's from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Her name is Sheba, Queen of Sheba. So I was taking her around, showing her the place, showing her my place because I must live here. And first thing she said, "What one, yeah man?" I'm like, "Oh, girl, what I said, girl, that's a stereotype." But it's so nice getting to know my Caribbean neighbors. So far there's a Jamaican. We have Barbados, 2 doors down. And now we have
Bahamians. We have Barbados, Bahamians.
What is a Bahamian?
Somebody from Bahamas.
We have somebody from Bahamas.
Yeah.
A Barbados man come from.
So which one the other one there? Who the one resident from our person?
Oh no. Oh, she not live fine here, so we can't talk about she. She not live here. And then we have that lady from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Her father also has lymphoma, but has been confirmed that he has lymphoma as yet. So he's just here to confirm and to start treatment. Mango nice.
But guys, a lot of people go home since
People go home since today here.
So that's good news.
We are going next. We didn't have next batch of go home in. Alright? We're claiming it in the name of Jesus. We're going home next.
Yep.
One thing with mango, you know. One thing with mango. If I eat up your teeth, but you may left a seed for you. Here?
I take the seed, man.
You can't give me seed? No, it's alright, man. It's alright. I appreciate the gesture.
May I take one more cut and you can take
No, just peel off this and eat it. So, I was thinking about it, like, what are some of your, because a lot of person like give me a lot of feedback on the video on Monday. I'm so grateful for you guys for that. Okay, what you doing?
Cutting.
Also people cut?
No, I'm butter knife. This is butter knife.
Jamaican parables. We could do some Jamaican parables. And then you guys comment down in the comment section. What are some of the Jamaican parables that your grandmother normally taught? And then, yeah, we could have some fun with that. Since we're having fruits today, let's have some fun with that. Oh my God, you're getting into this. Jamaican parables. Well, that was good. What a nice mango. We're not even touch a chin sandwich yet. But as I say, we are gonna do some Jamaican proverbs. And I'm gonna explain them as best as possible to my son. If you have any new ones, please leave them down in the comment section. First one. When water through you can't pick it up back. What do you think that mean?
When water through you can't pick it up back.
Yeah, when anything gone, what's done is done. Anything gone, that's it. Where I no see, art no leap. What do you think that mean? Where I no see, art no leap. Your art no. Alright. So whatever you don't see with your eyes, you know, or you're picky and you know you like eat food from certain people. So if you don't see something wrong, you will eat it and nothing. You understand? So when you don't see, your heart no leap. Because when you don't see it, it not trouble you. Right?
Oh, that happened to me once.
Finger never say look here, it say look yonder. Me still don't know what that means. Peacock hide him foot when he hear about him tail. So if you think say foot ugly though, I say I don't know my foot ugly. But then Peacock was so and see tail. He said no sir. So I think it means like appreciate what you have. Because other persons might have it worse. That's what I think it means. And this is one of my favorite now. Now wait till drum beat before you sharpen your axe. What that mean? Don't wait until the appointed time before you get ready. It's like it's talking about procrastination. So you can't procrastinate. You have to stay ready.
Procrastinate mean?
Procrastinate? So procrastinate is this. So say for instance you want to do something. So, alright, say for instance you want to move that bag over there off the chair, right?
I'll do that 4
I'll
o'clock.
do that 4 o'clock. No, it's not the time for that. And you go on it until end of the day, you know you don't move the bag.
Until 4 o'clock come and say, I'll do that tomorrow.
Right. So, what you say again? Now wait till the drum beat before you sharpen your axe. So get your axe ready, stay ready, right? Alright, this one everybody know you know. You must do that one you know. Coward man keeps on bone. You don't know it?
Actually,
Yeah, your grandma said. So coward man keeps on bone. People who are, if you're not confrontational, then you will remain sound and old. Nobody ain't gonna break your bones, okay? Cock mode kill cock. You ever hear that?
Nope.
So what me think you mean is that if you're chatty, then your mouth are gonna be to your detriment, right?
What
so
detriment mean?
Detriment mean like it's a liability then. So if you talk all of your business, then people can use it back against you. Right. Alright. Dog no owl if they have bone. Maybe that one I'm afraid. Dog no owl if they have bone. What that mean?
Dog like bone, so they're not all if they're not.
Right. Dog like bone, so if they have the bone, they not go ball, because they're more fully occupied. So dog no hole if they have bone. Alright, that one everybody know that one.
I guess anytime I go shop, I just need to carry some bone with me. Dog always run me down.
So your dog no hole after you, because you have bone. All fire tick easy to catch. Everybody know that one day. All fire tick easy to catch. Okay, next one. You can sit down pan cow back and a cuss cow. Maybe that one is my favorite. Maybe all of them are my favorite. But at this point. Jamaican proverbs. Remember to leave food down in the comment section. Hello, Jamaican one time. There's some people in Jamaica. That's a reality here. Jamaica is not a real place. It is not a real place. It's a mythical country. It is a mythical country. What do you put this up there? You can't sit down on cow back and a cuss cow skin. It means you are in a place, right? You're in a situation. How are you going to... It's basically talking about gratitude. For me, that's what I think. Or you have to sit down on the cow back, right? gladly sit down on the cow back, but yes, a cuss say a cow skin tough or whatever else. It just means that you need to be more appreciative. Right? So for me, it's talking about gratitude. So you can't sit down on cow back and a cuss cow kin. The one I know, fire there must still in think a cold breeze. Definitely your grandma said that one day. Grandma said definitely hear you with that one day now. Fire there must still in think a cool breeze. Or next one she normally say, when I think of peace and safety. So basically saying like, me don't know, the must not realize say a fire and think a cool breeze, but a trouble there near, right? That one here, me just hear it the other day for the first time. Big blanket make man sleep late. What do you think that means, John?
The comfortableness of the blankets.
The comfortableness. Oh, yeah. Oh yes, son. Oh yes. Speak, son. The comfortableness of the blanket
makes the dude sleep late.
Make the dude sleep. A week in here. A week. Jamaican proverb transfer by the next generation. What do you call him? Generation Z? I don't know them what. So
did you just say Jamaican Z?
Generation Z. So we are millennials, persons in my age group. We are millennials. We are ranging from 30 to 40, and then you have Generation X. We don't know. Anyways, big blanket make man sleep late. Big blanket make man sleep late. So if the man is comfortable.
Hold on. I guess if you're throwing a surprise party, get a big blanket and put it on your husband.
Oh my God.
He will sleep late.
So big blanket make man sleep late. I think it means like luxury. So person, it's talking about complacency. So if you're comfortable, wrap up in your big blanket, you have become complacent. So you're just asleep through the time, right? What sweet amount, hotter belly. That one they funny. Yo, that one they bad. What sweet amount, hotter belly. So something might taste good to you. It might be attractive, but it's not good for you, right? So what sweet amount, hotter belly. Something might taste good. It might look good, but it's not good for you.
Like cheese. Cheese is good for you until it hits you.
Not hot belly, Johnny. Not doodoo. Oh my God. This child. I wanna know, nobody puts in a bag. So you don't know what in the bag? You must look in the bag. You need to be aware before you buy anything. And then this one, I'm tired to say all of them are my favorite. I'm tired to say which one are my favorite. But this is our final one, right?
Final.
Pound of fret can't pay pound of debt. So pound of fret can't pay pound of debt. So worry no solve nothing. And that's a good note to leave it on. Worry solve nothing. So pound of fret can't solve ounce of debt.
It solves nunca.
Nada. Guys, wow. This is nice, not true? Jamaican parables. Jamaican people with festive bad. Because with festive bad, we have our own language. We are a dynamic people, and I think being here in Cuba really speaks volume to our creativity and stuff like that. Because I am telling you, me there and people as they see you and they say, oh my God, and I'm saying, see, oh my God, them sing a Bob Marley song. Them say something where them think, say all Jamaicans say what, you know, them feel like say, so it's like our culture is not just, it's not just something that we should take lightly. I know, I think we're diluting the culture, and it is so sad how we're diluting our Jamaican culture. And trust me, this nice. So Jamaican parables explain. Guys, put yours down in the comment section. Which one you like?
Please put in the comment section if you want us to do a part 2.
Yes, and if you don't want a part 2,
put it down.
Put it down. comment. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember to leave a comment in the comment section also. What are your parables where your grandmother or your mother used to say after you as a child? And yeah, my one end upon you, my mother always say, you know, fire tick. Fire there must take till and think a cool breeze. That one day. Coward man keeps sound born. That my mother always said that too. Where you don't see art no leap, remember my mother said that too. So put on the comment sections one where your mother or grandmother normally say, and let us until.
Well, guys, I'm tell you how much of them my mother said when in my age group. All of them in age 10.
Seriously, I've not said all of them, Raji.
Just a while ago, you just said all of them.
I can't stand you.
In age 10, I'm 10.
Okay. You win. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at _dreaminggoal_. Follow me on Facebook at Vanessa Williams. Thank you so much for watching. Until Monday, have a good weekend. And we're out. Bye.
Wait, we're not eating a sandwich.
We're not eating sandwich, true. Oh my god, we're not eating sandwich.
I think this is cheese.
Well, nice, so I don't think you need it.
Bye.